Check out this channel. It has gained over 101,000 subscribers with only 25 videos uploaded. That is insane traction for such a small amount of content. They have already pulled in a massive 3,803,098 views on their videos. And get this, their most popular video has hit 2.2 million views on its own. Another one is sitting at 813,000 views. And the wild part? This channel only started uploading a few months ago. But they aren't the only ones crushing it right now. Look at this second channel they started posting only 4 months ago. In that short time, they are already sitting at over 67,300 subscribers. But here is the shocking part. In that tiny amount of time, they've racked up more than 2,973,672 views. And they did all of that with just 29 videos. If you scan these channels, you'll notice something legit. Every single video they upload is hitting hundreds of thousands of views. Their top video is already exploding past 1.7 million views. The inspirational and motivational niche is easily one of the strongest opportunities for faceless creators on YouTube today. It is evergreen, it's emotionally engaging, and it's a massive win for creators. In this video, I'm going to break down the exact process these channels are using, so you can apply it directly to your own content. We are covering everything from the channel setup to the video ideas and even the topic selection. I'll show you how to handle fast production and how to make a thumbnail that actually gets clicks. I also dropped a full Google Doc in the description with every prompt, every tool, and the exact workflow I used. It's all there, so you can copy it step by step.
You ever sit down at night to lock in and suddenly you're doom scrolling? That's not laziness. Your brain's just tired. Here's a 3-minute reset. 1 minute slow breathing, longer exhale. 1 minute put your phone across the room and clear one tiny spot on your desk. 1 minute write the next smallest step. 1 sentence, 3 questions, whatever. Then do 15 minutes. Try it tonight.
So how exactly are these channels pulling those insane numbers? Those huge view counts we just looked at? I made this whole process super easy for you. Then I turned those real-world examples into copy and paste prompts that you can use directly with your AI tools. No coding needed. The link is right down in the description for that doc file. So grab it now and let's get into the next step. First step, you need a unique channel name. One of the fastest, most efficient workflows to handle this is with Grok Chat. It is a legit time saver. You're going to go into that doc prompt file I gave you, copy the specific channel name prompt, and then paste it right into Grok Chat. In just a few seconds, you're going to get an entire list of names you can use. Just pick one you vibe with. I actually chose this specific one right here for my own channel name. See how easy that was? Now that you have your channel name ready to go, the very next step is creating your channel logo and that crucial banner art. We're heading right back to the doc prompt file for this. Copy the logo prompt, paste it into Grok Chat. Here, insert your channel name and hit the enter key. Do the exact same thing for the banner, prompt, copy that prompt and paste it. Easy. Once you have both of those prompts ready, we're heading over to Whisk AI. That is the tool we are using for our visuals. Copy the logo prompt from Grok Chat and paste it into Whisk AI. Set that aspect ratio 1:1. Click Generate and then save your favorite logo design. Then do the exact same thing for your banner. Paste the banner prompt in. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9. Click Generate and download it. That's truly it. Now we have a channel name, a logo, and a banner, all done in minutes. All right, let's move into the actual video production phase. I have to be real with you, this is where 80 to 90% of new creators mess up and totally lose traction. They just pick random topics. You're smarter than that. We need a viral topic right out of the gate. Head back to the doc prompt file, copy that video ideas prompt, and paste it into Grok Chat. Now, you need the good stuff. Go check your competitors right now. Look at which specific topics are actually pulling hundreds of thousands of views already. Go ahead and copy 5 to 10 viral titles, the ones that are crushing it. Then, jump back into Grok Chat. Paste those titles in along with the video ideas prompt, and Grok Chat will spit out fresh angles based on what already works. Pick one legit topic and let's move on. Now that you have your high traction topic locked in, it's time to create the script. We're leveraging that doc prompt file again. Copy the scripting prompt, paste it into Grok Chat. Insert your video title right into the placeholder and hit generate. Check the script, This is important. Rewrite a few lines. Make it sound like you. Seriously, authenticity can be what separates a 5,000 view video from a massive 500,000 view video. You gotta be real. Okay, now we need image prompts for every single scene in our script. Go copy the video image prompt, paste it into Grok chat, and then paste your entire script into the placeholder. Grok will output full image prompts for each scene. Legit step-by-step instructions. Now, let's generate those images over in Whisk AI. Copy and paste your first image prompt and hit generate. You'll get 2 images, choose the best one. This becomes your visual brand. Choose the best one and save that image. Some creators just take the second prompt and hit generate, but they fail to get good results because they don't get consistent characters. So for this, you need to click here and upload your first image, which you created earlier. By doing this, you can get consistent characters for your video. Now, paste your second image prompt, and Whisk AI will automatically match the character style. This is key. It keeps your visuals consistent from start to finish. You can see the results. Now you need to simply paste your next prompt step by step, and you will get good results. Once all scene images are created, click on the top left 3 dots. Here, you can download all images and extract the zip file. Boom, you have all your visuals ready to go. The next step is Voiceover. For this part of the workflow, I personally use ElevenLabs. You can really pick any voice you vibe with. You're simply going to paste your script into ElevenLabs, format it cleanly, and generate that audio file. That's it. Your voiceover is completely done in minutes. The next step is editing. Time for the final push. Open up CapCut and click on New Project. That is the tool for our workflow. Import all your images and voiceover. First step, drop that voiceover down and go through it carefully. You need to absolutely remove any long pauses. This is critical. Once that is clean, next, add your visuals. Each image must match the voiceover precisely. No random shots, no filler. Every scene should clearly support what's being said. That is real visual storytelling. Next, we need to add transitions to keep the flow smooth. I stick to simple fade-ins and fade-outs, no need to overthink it. Longer scenes get both. Shorter ones just need a fade-in. The next step is captions. They can boost retention, though I didn't use them here. Once it looks right, hit export, choose 4K, and render. That is it, the video is finished. The next step is to create a thumbnail, that crucial piece of the puzzle that gets people to click. We need to create a solid thumbnail concept first. Head back to the doc prompt file one last time. Copy that specific thumbnail prompt, paste it right into Grok chat, and then replace the placeholders with your exact video title and video concept. Grok is smart. It will generate a killer thumbnail prompt that matches your video closely and can help drive strong click-through rates. Now, just copy that prompt. Head over to Whisk AI, paste it in, hit generate, and your thumbnail will be ready in a moment. Boom, your thumbnail is ready. Now you have everything, and you can start uploading. Follow all the steps and start creating videos. If you're looking for free text-to-video AI tools, then watch this video. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and I will try to respond.